Hey guys, I have the same problem on my system. What you have to do, I will be doing in front of you to fix this issue. So in the first step, we need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. Then click on run new task. On this window, click on browse button. Now we need to select this PC, then open C drive. Now open the Windows folder, then find out system32 folder and double click on it to open it. Then we need to find out CMD file, just select it and click on open. Now check this box, this will create this task with administrative privileges. Then click on OK. Now on this window we need to execute some commands, so type all these commands carefully and hit enter to execute them. Type the first command, that is gp update, and hit enter to execute it. Wait for some time. Then type in dism /online /cleanup-image /restore health and hit enter. So this will take some time, around 4 to 5 minutes. After that, type in sfc /scan now and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process. Once done, type exit to close the command prompt window and simply restart the system. That's it guys, your problem will be solved. You're good to go. Don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe.